Well, hello everyone and welcome to this Kartra email automation tutorial. Email automation is a silent partner in your business. It's a machine that nurtures leads, closes sales, and handles customer support while you're asleep. So in this walkthrough, we are mastering the marketing and communications tools. I'll show you exactly where you need to find your email and SMS tools, how to master the visual sequence builder, and how to use behavior-based triggers to send the right message at the right time. Because Kartra is an all-in-one system, your emails are natively connected to your pages and checkouts. If you want to follow along, you can use my link in the description to check out the latest discount and start your journey. So let's go ahead with the first part, the foundation. Now before we build a sequence, we need organization. Automation in Kartra is driven by tags. So navigate to the Contacts tab on the left-hand menu, then we're going to click on All Contacts, and right here you can see Tags. Click on the Tags tab right here and you'll see the plus tag button. This gives you the opportunity to create tags for every stage. For example, lead opted in, prospect interested, and customer purchased. So let's just create an example of what we're talking about. We're going to click on plus tag button right here, and we're going to give it a name, prospect interested. So right here we have the tag name, prospect interested, and here you'll need to have a tag description. And once you've filled in the tag name and description, you can go ahead and click on create. So this is how easy it is to create a tag. And then next we're going to go over to lists, and you want to think about your list as a broad bucket, like newsletter, and the tag as specific labels. Now, this structure is vital. Your automations will eventually say when a lead gets the tag prospect interested, then you'll need to move to the high interest sequence. Now let's head over to the marketing tab. You can find it right here, so we're just going to minimize the contact, and then you'll find marketing right here. And in the first sub-menu, you can find emails and SMS. Now, in previous versions of Kartra, this was labeled as broadcast, but now it's just your main email headquarters. A broadcast is a one-time manual send. You'll use this for your weekly newsletter, a special holiday sale, or a piece of breaking news. To create one, you just simply need to click on the plus email or SMS button at the top right corner, and Kartra's wizard will walk you through the steps. First, you'll need to name it, and then you select your recipient. This is where your tags come in. You can filter your audience so you're only talking to the right people. Remember when we created one, prospect interested? Well, that's one of the tags which you'll be using. Now, during this process, one feature you cannot overlook here is the A and B split test. This can test two different subject lines. Kartra will send version A to 10% of your list and version B to another 10%. After a few hours, it identifies which one got more opens and automatically sends the winning version to the remaining 80. It's a guaranteed way to increase your reach. And then we have the sequence builder. Now let's take a look at the sidebar. Directly underneath emails and SMS, we're just going to scroll this up a bit to see more, and then here you can see sequences. Now this is where the magic happens. This is where you build a journey that a lead enters the moment they sign up. For this to work, you can simply go over to the plus sequence button, and then you're going to give the name of the sequence and a public description. So let's give it the name. Then for the public description, this is visible to the lead if they click to manage their subscriptions, so you'll need to keep this professional. We're having Scaling AI Blueprint series, right? So this is what they'd be missing out if they want to unsubscribe. And again, it just reminds your subscribers of what they'll be having if they stick around. So we're going to go ahead and click on Create. And right here on the canvas, you start with the starting rules. This is where the tripwire will start. So what will trigger this sequence? So that's why you need to click on the plus sign right here, and you have a range of options. It could be an opt-in form if they're filling a form, maybe a registration form, if they fulfill a tag, if they're in a list, if they make an order, if they visit the page, or there's another sequence. So we're going to go ahead and choose list. And then In the list, we're going to choose what we created on the list earlier in this video. So we're going to click newsletter prospects, and then we're going to say add. And right here, it says contact subscribers to list newsletter prospects. We're going to go here and click on save, and there you have a starting rule. Now, if you want to try out Kartra yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to check out the discount price and get started. So what are we going to do with this newsletter prospects? Well, we're going to add send email or SMS. So we're going to come right here and drag it to the canvas. And what it does is you'll need to choose or design your email or SMS. In this case, it will be an email, so we're going to choose something nice. Now here on Kartra, you have different templates you could play with instead of starting from scratch. Of course, you have a blank template right here, but there are other options. You could just save your time and choose one of them. We're going to go with the first one, and before we make a selection, because everything is really small, we're going to click on the zoom in button right here to have a better preview. So it says here, welcome to our community, and basically a newsletter welcome message. So we're good with that. We're going to go to the previous tab, and at the top right here, you can test the responsiveness of the site. Of course, you can see desktop, mobile, small, medium, and large. So just going to select this, and here you have some information that you can change and make it your own. You can see newsletter 1, which is what we named it, the gateway, the delay, which is right after the previous step. So once they enter the prospective newsletter audience, they're going to be receiving this mail with a date and time in view. And once you scroll down, you can see the recipient, and it says here anyone reaching this step. So we selected the first step, and then they'll receive it. The automation is currently none, and you have your email content. You can see single email, you can see how it looks like in the desktop and in the mobile view, and of course you can make an edit on the message. So after closing that, all you need to do right now is to connect it. These are two different components to the sequence, and you need to connect them for them to work properly, right? So you're going to come over to this, and you can see this blob right here. You're just going to click and hold on it and drag it to the blob, which is at the top of this component. Now, of course, you're seeing it's currently inactive, and that's because we're not ready yet. Once you're ready, you can simply click on activate to keep this activated. So once you have those in your newsletter prospect, say they get into your newsletter prospect, they will be receiving this email newsletter, which is the first newsletter which you'll be sending to them. We're going to bring it underneath this component and then drag it to this blob right here. Basically, we're connecting the components. So once they achieve the starting rules, they'll be receiving the first newsletter. And then after 3 days, how about we send them another mail, right? So you can decide to clone this or come over here and click on email and SMS and drag it right here. And you'll need to repeat the steps which we had. So I just clicked on this new clone right here, and just to position it underneath the wait period or the wait component. And then we're dragging it to connect it. Do take note, however, that this is a clone of what we have right here, so you'll need to change the message. Again, we've showed you how you can make edits to the message which was written in this first email component. So go ahead and click on edit to take you to where you can edit everything for your second newsletter. For example, we can click on edit, and we're going to call it newsletter 2. So as we've written newsletter 2, we're going to click edit. So that has been registered. We're just going to click and close to complete it. Now, if we zoom in by clicking on control to zoom in a bit, you can see newsletter 1, wait 3 days, and then newsletter 2. Now, just to make it look nice, we're going to hover over the 3 dots, click activate. So in summary, you can see that you have your starting rule, and once you have those in your starting rule trigger this starting rule, they will immediately receive the first newsletter, and then the automation sequence will wait for 3 days, and on the 3rd day they will receive the second newsletter. And this is why we said it handles customer support while you're asleep. Once you're done, all you need to do is to click on done, and you have your sequence running. And that's why you have the pause button right here. If you'd like to pause that sequence, maybe you'd like to make some changes, you can simply click on pause and that sequence will be paused. You can see that it indicates that it's been paused. If it's not in pause, you will not see anything. Setting up your email automation in Kartra is about moving from manual labor to systems. By using tags or lists as your foundation and the visual sequence builder as your engine, you create a customer experience that is personalized, timely, and highly profitable, and all of this while you're sleeping or doing something else. And as you grow, you can go on to explore other components, other features that Kartra has installed for owners and solopreneurs. If you want to try Kartra yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to check out the discount price and get started. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.